Hi class, this is Mrs. Chernesky, and today we're going to talk about the different parts of a circle. So to begin, a circle is defined as the set of all points equidistant from a fixed point called the center. Point A would be the center of my circle. The distance from point A to any point on this circle here is the same exact distance. Whenever we talk about circles, there's certain line segments that have special names that come about. A couple of them you might have already heard of. So let's first talk about a radius. A radius is a line segment that starts at the center of your circle and extends to the end of the circle. This would be radius AB. A radius is half the length of a circle. Another line segment that comes about is a diameter. A diameter starts on the circle, passes through the center of the circle, and ends on the circle. This line segment would be diameter CD. Notice that a diameter is the full length of the circle. Lastly, let's talk about a chord. A chord is a line segment that starts on the circle and whose endpoint also falls on the circle. A chord is different from a diameter because a chord does not have to pass through the center of a circle. Last but not least, let's talk about a central angle. A central angle is a special angle that occurs in a circle. The angle's vertice is the center of the circle, and the sides of the angle are two radii of the circle. So angle A, the angle I just created here, would be defined as a central angle. Notice that the angle has its vertex on the center, and the sides of the angles are formed by two radii.